Hello friends, and welcome to xgen Academy channel. In this video we are going to simulate the liquid glass effect in Figma. Let's see how we can have a button or a card with an effect like this. Okay, first create a simple frame with the dimensions of 56 by 56 pixels. Round it fully to make it a perfect circle like this, and add a stroke to this frame, and then set the stroke color to gradient. Change the gradient color type from linear to angular. Now add two stop points to it like this. Set the first one value to 25% so that the spacing is even, and then change all the colors to a very light gray like equal. Set all of them like this. We want to simulate the light variation of the edges of the glass, so we set the opacity to 0 for every other one, like this. And then rotate the axis about 60 degrees to left and set the blend mode to the plus slider here. And we have done all things in this window. We close it and set 30% for this stroke. And now you can see the glow we wanted on the edge is almost there. Okay, now let's add some depths. Before adjusting the effects, set the fill to this frame and set opacity value to 2% like this. And now I want to add depth to the highlights and support to the direction of light. So I need an inner shadow from the top left here. I add that inner shadow from left and top, and set the blur 4 is okay, the split 0 is okay, and opacity value is 14%. We have a smooth shadow right behind the glow stroke. Okay, and now from the opposite angle we need another inner shadow, so I add another inner shadow from the bottom right. We set x to -1, it means from the right, and set y -1, it means from the bottom right. It's okay. Set the blur opacity to 6 and change the color to F or white, and set the opacity of color to 16. It's okay. Now to simulate the effect of noise and blur of glass, we need another layer. So I create a rectangle like this with the dimensions of 80%. That's okay. Right below our frame like this, and set its color to white with 1% opacity, and we are going to add two effects to this layer. First, I add a background blur with the value of 6 like this, and add texture effect with the size of 100, and the radius we are set that 20. It's okay. You can see when we activate this effect, it becomes chaotic from its area. And that's the main reason we are implemented this effect on the other actual layer. Okay, now let's group these layers to a frame like this, and let's set the dimensions of this frame to 56 like this. And now we can align this inner layer to the center of their parent, yeah, like this. I hold the Alt button and click to the align center, and oh, it has some error and I fix it. Yeah, that's ready. And now we fully round the corners of the outer layer like that and enable the clip content. And you can see we have all layers in a single frame. And now let's add some lightening details to that to make it a little more real. Like that inner layer, we add some inner shadow to this from the top right, from the top left, excuse me, like this, with blur to the 5, and we set the hex code for color to 7, press enter and set the opacity value to 50% like this. And we will definitely put the blend mode to the plus slider like this. And see, we have created a smooth ray of light from the top left of our object. It's nice. And now we need to add one more inner shadow here like this, and set the value of that -2 for X, -2 for Y, and set 8 for blur and 12 for the color, and put the blending mode to darken. Now place an icon inside that like this, and now we can say our liquid glass button is ready. If you'd like to access this editable Figma file, the link is provided in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, subscribe, and also press the like for our Figma file. Thanks for your support. See you soon.